If my skincare routine doesn't give me glass skin, then I don't want it. Let me show you the routine. These are from U Beauty and they actually just launched in Sephora, and after seeing them all over my feed for so long, I finally had to sit down and give a full routine a try, and it did not disappoint. First product is the Super Hydrator. This makes the skin look so silky and hydrated. Love this in my skincare routine, but it also looks amazing underneath makeup for a smooth application. This is the Eye Concentrate. It instantly makes my eyes look brighter, smoother, more awake. I love using this in the morning because it reduces puffiness and dark circles. It's also an amazing product to use as under eye prep for your concealer. It is so important to not neglect your neck and chest. I just recently started prioritizing this in my skincare. The Sculpt, just watch how this instantly makes my neck and chest look. Instantly feels hydrated, smooth, silky. See, it just makes the skin look more sculpted and contoured. Lastly, don't forget your body when it comes to skincare too. This is a Super Body Hydrator. It feels super lightweight, it doesn't feel too heavy. Love that it gives a really natural, radiant glow. Alright guys, that is my full glass skin skincare routine. Let me know what you guys think of the routine and if you try it out.